Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I'm going to be showing you guys how I do the hot oil treatment on my 4C natural hair. So I'm about to have a protective style, so I decided to just show you guys the hot oil treatment I'll be doing before my protective style. The oils I use change depending on when I do it, or like every time I do my hot oil treatment, so you guys just watch. I would advise not to use coconut oil though, but if you would like to see the oils I use, stay tuned and keep on watching, okay? So the oils I'm going to be using for this video would be olive oil, amla oil, tiny bit of coconut oil, peppermint oil, and the eucalyptus oil. Finally, you're going to need an applicator bottle. So these are all of the things I'm going to be using for this video. So first off, I'm going to open my applicator bottle. So now I've opened up my applicator bottle. I'm just going to start pouring in the olive oil. I'm not going to use any measurement or anything, nothing. I'm just going to pour it to where I feel it's enough. So yes, I feel like that quantity is enough for the hot oil treatment I would have on my hair. And then I'm going to add the amla oil, and then I'm going to add about a tablespoon of the amla oil. And now to my coconut oil. I don't really have much left, so that's great. I'm just going to add a very tiny bit. Yep, that's it. And then for my peppermint oil, I'm just going to add a few drops. This is what it looks like. About 10 drops of peppermint oil. And then I'm going to go in with my eucalyptus oil. This is what it looks like. So I'm just going to add a few drops as well. So I added about 7 drops of the eucalyptus oil. And now I'm just going to put it together and mix it up. So I'm just going to do this. The next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to boil some hot water and then put it in a bowl and dip my applicator bottle in it, just so it heats up and warms up the oils. Then I'm going to apply that on my hair. So I have my bowl, so I'm just going to add the hot water. And then I'm going to take the oil and dip it in there to sit for a while until I feel my oil is warm. Then I'm going to apply it on my scalp, okay? Guys, so my hair has just been by itself. I've not really taken care of it in about 2 to 3 days. I put it in a high puff and then I took out the thing I used to tie it, and now I just left it like that. So this is what my hair is looking like. It's so dry, guys. I really regret doing that, but anyways, yeah, that's why I'm doing the hot oil treatment. So yeah, now I'm just going to spray some water on my hair. So this is the section I'm going to be working with. I'm going to take my oil and start applying it on my hair. I'm also going to remember to apply on your ends as well, because it's necessary. And then on my roots, a little bit on my roots. I'm just going to massage that into my hair strands and slowly finger detangle while doing that. And I'm going to twist that up into a bantu knot. So yes, this is the next section I'm going to be working with. I'm just going to spritz a little bit of water on my hair, massage it in, and then gently detangle while I'm massaging it in. Then I'm going to take my hot oil treatment and then just pour that on my hair. I'm done applying the oil on my hair. I'm just going to use this scalp massager to massage my scalp. Guys, it's good to massage your scalp, so always massage your scalp, okay? So I'm just going to massage my scalp, make sure there's blood flow around my scalp. I think that's why we massage our scalp. And now I'm going to use a plastic bag and just cover it up and trap the heat into my hair, or I use the plastic bag to trap the heat. And then I'm just going to get my bonnet and cover it for a couple of hours. I think I stayed for about 2 hours, and now I'm back. This is what my hair is looking like. My hair felt soft, but not as soft as it usually feels whenever I do a hot oil treatment or pre-poo. So I think maybe I should not use coconut oil again. I wanted to give it one last try, but that did not work. But my hair still felt soft though, and this is what it's looking like. Now I'm just going to wash it off and start my wash day routine. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, and the video of my wash day is going to be up pretty soon. Bye guys.